Google released Android 17 QPR1 Beta 1 for Pixel devices. This update will install a beta version of Android 17 QPR1 on your device. If you're enrolled in the Android Beta program, you should receive it OTA. It's available for Pixel 6 and newer devices running Android 17 Beta. Check Android 17 QPR1 Beta 1 update on Pixel. To check for a system update on your Google Pixel device, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Software Updates at the top. Tap System Update. You can see System Update available Android 17 QPR1 Beta 1 on your Pixel device. Update size is 255 megabytes. Tap Download and Install button to install it to your Google Pixel devices. What's new in this Android 17 QPR1 Beta 1 update? Mainly two changes available that you know. 1. In the screensaver settings, you can see Android 17 Easter egg option on your Pixel device. 2. When you swipe up and search on the home screen, you can see bigger icon while search any app or settings compared to previous version. Also, multiple bug fix includes that link available in the description. And that's all. Thank you for watching.